A very common problem that happens with flash photography is red eye. I'm sure you're very familiar with this, and you can see here in this image that the girl has red pupils. And this happens when the flash is too close to the camera. Well, we're going to use a new feature in Photoshop called a color replacement brush, and it's hiding right underneath the healing brush tool. What we're going to do is we're going to select a color that we're going to replace the red with. Hold down the Alt key or the Option key on the Mac and move to a dark part of the photo and click. Or we could just choose black for the foreground color. Then choose a brush which is roughly the same size as the area we want to work on. The left and the right bracket keys on the keyboard will increase the size or decrease the size of the brush. And now what we do is just click and paint in that area. And we just paint it out, and then what happens is it retains all the highlights and just paints out the color and changes the color only. And that's one way of doing it. We're now going to undo this, and I'm going to show you another way of doing it. What we need to do is just go to the Channels palette, select the red channel, and then we can choose the dodge and the burn tools. And what we're going to do is we are going to use the burn tool, which is going to darken everything. That's about the right color, the right size brush, and then just click a couple of times just to darken that area. Because what happens in the channel when we're in RGB mode, the lighter it is, the more of that color is applied. The darker it is, the less of that color on that channel is applied. So here we are in the red channel. Now if we click on RGB, notice that the red eye is gone. So there's two ways of removing red eye in Photoshop.